When drivers are required to insure their vehicles in a given jurisdiction, many choose to obtain the cheapest insurance possible to meet those statutory requirements. Though an insured vehicle can help any driver to protect himself and his property from lawsuits in the event of an accident, not every driver is willing to spend the money necessary for the most comprehensive coverage. Still, those drivers must be able to demonstrate that they are in compliance with coverage requirements, even if the only thing that is required is some level of liability protection. For any consumer who wants to minimize the costs of providing the necessary proof of coverage, there are a variety of things that can be done to ensure that any policy costs as little as possible. Comparing companies. The most important thing that any driver can do is to carefully compare the various policies being offered by companies in his area. Though many consumers settle for the first reasonably priced option they find, drivers who diligently compare policies can almost always find specific discounts that can substantially reduce their premium rates. Discounts for lifestyle choices. There are many different lifestyle issues that can affect the cost of coverage. Drivers can receive discounts for avoiding accidents and moving violations for several years, and for attending various driver training programs. There can also be discounts for those whose yearly mileage is fairly low. Discounts for safety features. In addition to lifestyle, the safety devices and features in any vehicle will also contribute to lower prices. For example, most insurers will provide discounts to drivers who own vehicles with airbags, anti-lock braking systems, devices to prevent theft, and other safety features. Though many of these features are present in most new vehicles, owners of older autos may have to have them installed to take advantage of the savings. Many drivers are not aware that insurers will also tend to judge a vehicle's safety relative to its size and weight. In other words, larger, heavier vehicles are often insured at lower rates simply because they tend to do a better job of protecting drivers and passengers. Consumers should consider this information when making any vehicle purchase. With most jurisdictions now requiring that drivers carry at least basic liability coverage, it is easy to see why so many consumers try to minimize the financial impact of meeting this obligation. Savvy drivers who use every option available to them can find the cheapest insurance and limit their premium costs. Finding the cheapest insurance should be matched by making certain that it has adequate coverage for your insurance needs. The Oregon's requirements are found online quickly and easily. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.